Hello everyone, my name is Renuka Hadore. So today we are going to talk about interface in Java. So let's see what is interface in Java. So interface in Java is like a contract or a blueprint, like a structure. It is defined a set of a method that's a class must implement, but it does not provide the implementation itself. And then purpose like interfaces are used to achieve abstraction. We know about the and multiple inheritance. They allow different classes to implement the same set of methods in their own ways, and flexibility and reusability in interface. And then key characteristics in interfaces, there are method declarations, like an interfaces can declare methods, but it cannot provide their body. For example, white start. White start method name start that return nothing, no states. Like a interface can have an instance variable like a classes do. They can have constants, but those must be initialized. And then multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance, a class can implement multiple interfaces, allowing it to inherit behavior from multiple sources. For example, a class can implement both, for example, animals and vehicles, like interfaces. And then default and static method, starting from a Java interfaces can also have default methods. Then methods with a body that can be inherited by the implementing classes. And then static methods. So static methods that belong to the interfaces itself, rather than any specific instance. Then implementing an interfaces. When a class implements an interfaces, it must provide the body. And then for all the methods declare in that interface. For example, if you have interface animal with method sound, a class dog that implement animal would look something like this. Like a dog class, like public wide sounds, and then print bark, that's it. And then benefit using the interfaces is the flexibility and reusability. Different classes can implement same interfaces in a different ways. This allow for a flexible code design, a easy swapping of a implementation. And the decoupling interfaces help in a decoupling the code. For instance, you can change the implementation of the interfaces without affecting the classes that use it. And then polymorphism, we can use an interface type of refer object of a different classes that implement that interface, enabling polymorphism. Then a real world example, like think of an interfaces as vehicles. You have a vehicles and interface with a method like start, stop, and fuel type. And then car class implement start, start with the key, and fuel type like a petrol. And then bike class implements start, means start with the key. And fuel type like petrol or electric charger. Then both classes are common behavior to define the vehicles. And then interface but have their unique implementation. And then all about in the interfaces summaries, like interfaces are a blueprint classes and defining the method without any implementing them. They allow multiple inheritance, then promotes the abstraction and enhance the flexibility and then reusability. Classes can implement the interfaces. And then must provide their specific method and then implementation by using interface and mm, effectively we can design system that modular and erase maintain. So uh, so that's all about the interface in Java. So thank you for watching this video.